Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Subscription Boxes and More with Michelle. What do I have for you? I have, see if I can find a way to show it to you without showing you my address, Bespoke Post. Bespoke Post is a subscription that's a little more masculine. Anybody, though, as far as I have been able to see, would like this. But, you know, it's a little more masculine. It's supposed to be geared towards the guy in your life. Or you if you're the guy in your life. Well, let's just see what... I lost my scissors. Ouch, I may need those. Sorry, backache. Alright, let's just see what's inside of this one, shall we? This is... Okay, this tells you coming soon, club member holiday exclusives. Holiday concierge available all season long. Need help finding the right present? Feel like outsourcing your gifting? Either way, our holiday concierge is here. Shoot an email to concierge@bespokepost.com. And if you don't know, concierge is CONCIERGE at bespokepost.com. Tell us who you're shopping for and a few facts about them. And one of our holiday concierge will send you personalized gift recommendations. Hey, that's pretty nifty. I may just have to take advantage of that. Okay, so what do we have? This says Down Under. And let's see. Perfect the finer points of your grooming routine. So maybe we have something for facial hair grooming or something. That's what we're looking at. Some craft paper with a sticker that says enjoy. Why, yes it is. Manscaped, the Lawnmower. Let's hold that up. Definitely a man gift. And you know what? I may hang on to this for a Christmas gift. So, shh. Let's see what we have in here. Two things. Let's look. First, we have Manscaped, the lawnmower designed for groin grooming. I don't think I would just give this to just anybody. I think that maybe this is the gift to give to your significant other kind of person, or I mean, it might be a little weird to give it to your son, but you know, hey, if you've got that kind of relationship, well, you know, where that you can just, my kids and I, we can talk about anything. So we could definitely talk about manscaping. But I'm just talking, you know, other people might be weirded out by it. Of course, you know, I buy my kids underwear, so, you know. The Lawnmower 2.0. That's what it's saying on the back. Let's read about it. Designed for groin and body grooming. Skin-safe technology, quiet stroke technology, high power, waterproof, rechargeable USB, by the way. Uniquely designed, skin-safe replaceable blade, adjustable guard, superior control, and LED charging indicator. I hate to monkey with the seal, but we can't see it if we don't. Get my fingertip knife so I can cut through this a little better without damaging the box. Alright, so it opens up this way and dumps out. Anyways, it has two different guards, and one is 9mm and 12mm, and the other one is 3mm and 6mm. So that's the sizing on those. They fit right in here. And then we have our tool here. Already charged up. Pretty quiet. So there's our button. There's our indicator light. Can you see it? And there's the charging end where your cord will go. textured here. The guard just snaps into place. There's grooves right here on the sides. And so this just snaps on. I don't like how that's fitting, or not fitting, as the case may be. It's kind of on there, but it's not on right. Turn it around, see if the other side works better. Don't like it. Now see, that one fits. That one works. The other one doesn't. I think I got a defective one. I mean, it's on tight. You can't pry it off. I couldn't get the other one on. I can't get this one off. I got it off. Try this one again. But I think this one's defective. And it should clip on just like that other one did. And no matter what I'm doing, it will not fit. There, I got it. Boy, that one is a challenge. Okay. They fit on very snug. They're hard to get back. I mean, once you got them on right, it's hard to get them off. All right, so there is that. And inside of, underneath there is this little bag that has, inside of that, your plug for that has the USB that you can plug into the wall. And your cord is in there that you can plug into either the USB on a USB multi-plug, you know, charger thing, or your computer if you're traveling or whatever, or use your charging block there. So there's that. And then in the bottom is also your, there's a little booklet if you can get it out. I thought it was a booklet. It isn't. It's just an advertisement for their crop preserver anti-chafing deodorant designed specifically for below deck. It will keep the boys fresh and comfortable all day long. Or crop reviver designed to freshen up and soothe your lower region. Essential skincare herbal extracts prevent irritation and inflammation. View the full range at manscaped.com. So, put that back under there. Because can't really give it for a gift if you put it all back together. Come on now. Fit under there right. So you fit back in your box. Alright. But there's also this in here. Let's open that up and see what's inside. It says Manscaped. It's like a little leather. Oh. Hey, this is nice. A grooming kit for your, like, nails and stuff. It's got cuticle scissors back here. Or mustache trimming scissors, maybe. It has one of these nail files that, are not like the best nail files, but it also has this part here to clean under your nail. See it? Oh, wow. This will push back your cuticles. Can you see that? You can give them manicure, not a womanicure, a manicure. Tweezers, just your standard tweezers. And then a nice pair of clippers. That's nice. That's a stocking stuffer right there. And a nice carrying case for travel. Guys, this is a nice box. What do you think? What do you think, guys? I think kind of paper down inside of here. What is this about? Looks like a newspaper. Manscaped Daily News. So this looks kind of funny. Testimonials and cartoons, and I think it probably has, it's like the same page over and over, I think, so that you can give it to other people to like get them to, it's like there's several pages of it, so you can give it to other people to get them to buy Manscaped. But it's pretty funny. All right, I'm not going to show you all of that because. All right, guys, I think this was a quality box. I'm excited to give this as a gift, and yeah, I'm hanging on to that for Christmas. Tell me what you think, and please give me that big old thumbs up because it really helps my channel. And please subscribe, and please share my video with others so that maybe they might subscribe as well. And thank you for watching and for listening to me babble. And I'll see you again in a moment in another video. Bye, guys.